Developing now, a federal judge has about a week to issue a final ruling on the legal status of dozens of international students who had their visas revoked. 11 Alive's Joe Ripley joins us live outside of the federal courthouse in downtown Atlanta. So, Joe, what are you learning about the lawsuit against the Trump administration here?
So, Jennifer, just a few hours ago, the judge heard from both sides in this one. The government arguing they're simply enforcing immigration law. Meantime, some of these students, according to their attorney, are just simply fighting to hold on to their American dream. Immigration attorney Charles Cook is hopeful a federal judge will issue a preliminary injunction restoring legal status to 133 students who had their visas revoked.
If these students leave, very few of them are coming back. We know the current administration. If a visa's been revoked, for example, they're not going to turn around and reissue it.
Nearly 30 of the students live in Georgia. Cook argues immigration officials wrongfully terminated their visas earlier this month without due process. Immigration and Customs Enforcement canceled their visas after a federal student database called SEVIS flagged their records. Cook says the cancellations were based on minor offenses like traffic tickets.
Most of them come from relatively poor countries, the vast majority of them. They come from places where their parents have sacrificed to send them here. And they simply say, go home now and come back later and fix it, as if they're made out of money. These kids aren't made out of money.
The U.S. attorney arguing the case in district court would not comment on camera, but Robert David Powell says he'd like for the judge to deny the reinstatement of legal status or for that legal status to end once the students graduate. And tonight, Cook says he's planning to file a separate class action lawsuit that could include hundreds more students in similar circumstances. As for this case, the judge says she will make her ruling by Friday at midnight. That's next Friday at midnight on the legal status of these 133 students. Then this case can proceed, but it could take months or even years to reach a resolution. We're live tonight in downtown Atlanta. Joe Ripley, 11 Alive News.